Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll show you all how to apply a wrap. So let's start by sanding the table. You need to make the table as smooth as possible, so you don't want the wrap to have any air bubbles or any other form of deformity. Please follow the next steps carefully for a clear finish. So first you need to take your wrap or your vinyl and place it on the edge of the table like I have shown. And after that you need to first press in the middle and then towards the edges. Always remember this. Don't press first at the edges cause you won't get a nice and clear finish. Don't pull the sticker too far away cause it will cause air bubbles and deformity in the fitting. So you only need your hand, you don't need to rub anything cause it is very easy. Just press hard and as you can see there is a clear finish. There is no air bubbles left on this wrap. And once you're done, then afterwards just pull your finger towards the edges of the table if it has any pattern, and then do the cuttings at the side and make it nice for a clear finish. To cut and trim the edges properly so you get a nice and clear finish. So guys, if you liked the video and you're finding it helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and also click the bell notification for more amazing content like this. So after you're done, please move your finger towards the edges like this for a clear finish. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe. Bye. See you in another video.